Sure, but besides that, it's pretty normal. I don't know.
Do you know where the elephant has gone? I think I lost him in my Candyland box.
Go, 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 go.
The really nice thing about it is the image stabilizer. Besides that, it's like, I don't know, pretty normal camera. They like flowers and like mountains and stuff. But I don't know. That's pretty much about it.